guys, it's Rutuja. You know what? Something is missing. Well, I don't know what that is, but yeah. I don't know आज क्या करना चाहिए था, क्या करना चाहिए था. सोच रही थी क्या करूँ, क्या करूँ, क्या करूँ. फिर भी I ate, I slept, I did time pass. I watched a movie, I did my skincare, I wrote my journal. I did this kind of stuff. Now I had Maggie. I spent some time with Stacy. Where are you? She's not here. Then I edited videos. Then I posted it. I was just imagining myself out roaming around. So I thought, why not go out? So today I'm going on a solo date, but I'm planning to take you guys out with me. Do you also feel sometimes that everything is going right in your life and still you don't feel complete? Still you feel that there is a part which is lost. However, right now at this moment, I'm feeling that. So be with me. I am just isolating myself and I don't like to pretend. I'm stuck. If something is changing in your life and you're liking it, that's the different part. But if you're not liking it and you're feeling like, no, I want the previous one, whatever the change, then it's difficult. And I have not decided ki, where am I going, what am I going to do, and let's discover what makes me happy. Well, I know happiness comes from within, but not coming, it's not there. Take me back to the night we met. And I'll cancel it. See, my skin is much better, much better. This is the good part. Um, do you also feel that my eyes are dull? Have you seen my old videos? Do I look dull? Do I? Or I look pretty? Okay, I'll just change quickly. Hi guys, so आउटफिट मैंने पहन चुका है. अभी समी मुझे बोलेगी कि पिंक लिपस्टिक क्यों लगा रही है, ब्राउन लगा, क्योंकि वो हमेशा ब्राउन लिपस्टिक लगाती है.
मैंने कब तेरे को बोला है कि ब्राउन लिपस्टिक लगा करके?
हमेशा
हमेशा वाली. इससे ऐसे जब प्रोडक्ट्स अपनी स्किन पे लगाती तो ऑब्वियसली स्किन खराब होगी ना.
समजत नाही करू तू तुला असे प्रोडक्ट्स स्किनवर लावते तू मार्केटमधनं आणलेले लोकल मार्केटवर ना.
तुझे पता है क्या ब्लश कलर कैसे चेक करते हैं?
नहीं, अपना मतलब
अपने हमें से हमारे फेस पे सबसे ज्यादा कॉम्प्लीमेंट करता है.
कैसे?
हाँ, कैसे जैसे जीरो ब्लश का कलर
सगळ्यांचं तसंच राहते. भी नहीं है तो मेरा खून नहीं है ज्यादा, इसका ज्यादा खून है. टेक मी बैक टू द नाइट. Okay guys, only hair. Now I'm gonna do my hair, then we'll go. So guys, I'm ready. Let's go. So the auto has arrived. So did I just refuse happiness? I was about to say I'm so happy and then I said not so happy. Something is wrong in my head only, I guess. Bali is coming and the city looks so pretty. Guys, I'm filming in the public. You should be proud of me. So I was supposed to go to another cafe, but then I found a cute cafe. So I changed my mind and I came here. We have the menu. Let's decide. So I'll show you the ambience of the cafe. Oh, it's a very basic and cozy cafe. And the entrance and the pretty thing here and outside as well. And the uncle preparing coffee. So guys, I have never tried iced mocha. So today I order for that. So we are going to try it. I don't know. I was a tea lover, but eventually मुझे ना ऐसे coffee में बहुत interest आ रहा है. Not only in like having coffee, but also preparing or making varieties of coffee. So yeah, it's a kind of new hobby I'm unlocking. It's good. It is just I have imagined and I have thought about it. I have never experienced making variety of coffee. However, I make normal cold coffee, regular coffee, this and that. And yeah, I like black coffee too. So you can say that I love coffee. It's pretty good. Now I have decided that I am going to explore cafes. Like there are so many pretty cafes in Viman Nagar. First time I came and I liked it. The area, the full area full of cafes. So yeah. So ABC Cafe is the location here. So I came. I just saw it. I saw a guy sitting here, and this is in the beautiful vibe. I'll show you. Wait, it's me and isn't it pretty? Really, I feel shy filming. See the earrings, so pretty. मेरे रूममेट के है बोरो किए मैंने. I was saying कि I feel shy while making vlogs, but then ऐसे publicly, but ठीक है. Confidence ऐसे ही boost किया जाता है. Shall I order for croissant? Chocolate croissant. Shall we go for pizza? Wanna have some tiramisu? It has egg, so I can't. What is chocolate babka? So here we got our coffee, iced mocha. Good. I like it. I brought this and this. As you all know, I was feeling something, but I was not aware what it is. So obviously, journaling is something which helps. I wanted to do it, not at home today, at least, because I was not able to figure out what's going inside my head. So I just thought, let's go out. Let's go out. Maybe because we spend so much of time in house, maybe that's why we feel this way. And I was on leave for about like 1 month. So maybe because of that, oh, I just chose to come here, have coffee, sit, and look at the surrounding, observe the surrounding, and I just wanted to write my thoughts out here on paper. So I just came here. Hi guys, I had 2 coffees. It was so good, and it can be my go-to cafe. And something nice happened, but I won't tell now. I'll tell you later. I'm just searching for a flower shop because I feel I deserve flowers. So I want to get myself flowers. I want to go to Zudio. Probably I'll go to the Aero Mall, but I'm just finding the way because it was very near. So I might go by walk. Hi peeps. The walk was not possible as I wore heels and it was 1.5 kilometer away from here. So yes, I took an auto. So let's go to the mall. I'll see something basic outfits. Let's see. वैसे तो Zudio में collection black and white ही दिखता है मुझे mostly. So I'm not sure. Let's go and check. If I like something, I'll buy. If I don't, I will not. Did some shopping in Zudio. Now I'm here in DIY. Let's see some cute stuff. I didn't buy much क्योंकि कुछ अच्छा दिखा ही नहीं. I mean, इतना eye catching कुछ नहीं लगता है आजकल shopping में. My shadow looks so pretty.